Hi guys, welcome to this PC. We're making tutorials, and the last two videos I've put online was for ISO builders. How to make a package, how to create a repository for the package so you can put it on there so that you can say actually update and you have your own prime repo. So this applies to anything ArcoLinux. You can add the lines, you start building, you start making your whatever you want to make, packages, configurations, right? And you put this line and then you install. You say sudo pacman -s and it's in there. But we are teaching for ISO builders. So any user, if you followed everything up to here and everything is working fine, all you need to do is sudo pacman -s and of course get all the conflicts out of there. Not ArcoLinux Eric, but prime and then prime xfce something, right? So you need to figure out what conflicts, and a lot of things will conflict, and you remove anything that is conflicting. This one needs to go, and anything, any reference to a file blank needs to go, because they're doubles and pacman can't work with doubles. Auto start needs to go, so basically the conq collection needs to go here. Welcome app needs to go. Well, you figured it out, but that's not the topic of the video. But it's possible, right? Just remove, start moving things. And again, an awesome wallpaper. Thank you Variety for being around. All right, it's coming from Wallhaven. Okay, I would like to see, and it's a step, it's a big step. This is the look we have. I'd like to build an ISO, an XS ISO with a normal kernel, and have my package on there. Okay, okay. Is that possible? Anything is possible in Linux, and anything is possible in ArcoLinux as long as somebody explains it to you, and a lot of things are possible. github.com, not Eric the Bot this time. What if I wanted to see what the look would be ArcoLinux if I built myself an ArcoLinux XS ISO? Well, actually, wrong way. Well, I know where everything is, of course, but here is where, no, not here. Here is where we build things. The only thing I want to do is add a certain repository, and I start with something, and XS is a good way to start because that's the extra small. So here are all the extras, and here are the normal build your own ISO, and we have this, that, XL, XS. Okay, I wanted to start with this one, so I just grab this code, Ctrl C, and put it here, also on the desktop. Git clone, Ctrl Shift V, no, just Ctrl Shift V, and there you go. Always do that. And then we have this one over here, ArcoLinux ISO. Okay. I have this here. Let's put you up there. I have a package. I created a package, and the package can be added to the package list. And the package list all the way down, I tell them I've got a new package, prime xfce git. Then I start building, and it says I can't find it. How strange is that? Right? Installation script number 40, and you say go build it, and then it says prime xfce not found, target not found. We have to tell them where it is. Okay, we have Sublime Text. Let's run Sublime Text because it's still in there, pacman.conf. This is where it is. Ctrl C. How does the script know where it is? Because of files. So not in here, in here a pacman. Look at that. There's a pacman.conf all the way down, and I tell them, look, that's where it is. Then I run it again. Let's get you like this. It's building. Now the difficulty. It's gonna conflict because we've made decisions, and ArcoLinux has made decisions, and they conflict. And Pacman will help me. I say, nope, not that one, not that one, not that one. I hope. Step by step, baby steps. It's always the best thing to proceed, not do 10 changes in one time and then start building and say, oh, which one of it changes is it now? One build, one build, one build. Takes a lot of time. That's just advice. Let's see. So now the 5 lines, right? The 5 lines is always that. That's critical, and then you go eat. No, but we can't eat because we'll see there is a conflict. Pacman has a rule. There can only be one package that provides a file, and I'm not doing that. I'm not following the rule. I've made different decisions because we're making Prime, and Prime is a different distribution. Has nothing to do with ArcoLinux. We're just using the code, but for the rest, file conflicts. Ay, 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 ay. Boo. All right. So it helps you. What do we need to remove in order to have 0 conflicts? Well, it's still open actually. It's still here. Let's move that one over here then. Which of the packages are not okay? Let's go for some coloring. Perl it is. No, not PHP, Perl. So if I want to build this thing, fail to commit, auto start, amconky, sec exists in ArcoLinux conky, etc. Now we're gonna make different decisions, right? And we're not gonna go check this list, but think, do I actually need amconky session? No, I actually don't need it. So I'm gonna repackage and think this, nah. Welcome app, nah. Course error, keyboard, nah. Discord, nope. InSync, nope. Telegram, nope. And Clippan, maybe. And Variety, maybe it's like these two. That means I have a new package, and this is how you proceed. And say, okay, let's change that. So less in auto start. It's a procedure, a kind of workflow you need to get accustomed to. So I push something online, then I need to build something again because it's pushed. So here's my package build. Here's the package build. We're number 2 now. Always up the number. There is no reason why you shouldn't up the number. It does not cost money. Make package. We have a new package. Delete this. I have scripts to move this thing to the repo, right? Now we do it manually. Put it here, and then you up it. Up the file. The package one is gone, the other one is there. We update the database, we say update is also good, and create mode is 02. Cool. So we're not gonna blindly check this thing, we're gonna think about it. Where? Here he is. So this conky session is gone. This one is something else. GTK3, Arc, and so on. That's something we need to remove. So where is my Sublime text? On the other screen, I think. Here or here. Neither. I think we can lose all that. Well, we'll just launch Sublime text. I think I've closed it. And we have to check ArcoLinux GTK3 setting. Okay, so GTK3 then setting. This one conflicts with my configuration, of course. It's the design of GTK3. What else will conflict? Quantum, I think. Qt5 is gonna conflict. It says, where does it say? Down here somewhere, SO Qt5. Qt5, this one is Qt5. I just go over the lines here. ArcoLinux xfce, that's down here. Let's go find it. ArcoLinux. I have my own settings for ArcoLinux. And these go out then. I just remember something. If we remove this, then we've broken our thunar. In here, etc scal config, there is no thunar folder. We've forgotten to copy paste the thunar folder. You always forget something. You always have to catch again. Control C, Control V. If we remove the complete xfce, we need to have this one. Otherwise, this one, all these are not available. And I hate that. If that would be the case, I would really hate that. So let's put it online and let's do the build later. Maybe we find something more. Thunar, right? Extra folder. Check. Good find. And then what else? Prime ArcoLinux xfce git, xfce git, xfce git. Going over the lines. Let's try again. Let's see if we covered everything. Save. Prime xfce 3, huh? One, remember 02 is in. We should build the number 3. He's messing about. He's tired, I think. Let's stop him. Push him again. Well, in the meantime, I can build them because, well, maybe there's another conflict, so let's wait. Quantum, did we do the quantum thing? Nope. I think that will be a conflict. So we have ArcoLinux variety auto start. ArcoLinux variety auto start is that one. So quantum is not a problem, but ArcoLinux variety, where are you? ArcoLinux variety auto start. It's also in the folder there. And off you go. Try again. And while he's doing that, which is probably gonna build it, we are going to build our own. Prime package build, prime xfce, up the number. And then build it. Make package. Close it. Remove. These things can be best done with scripts. Copy paste and up. How are you doing? He's building the ISO. Do we have VirtualBox installed? Of course. Super F7. Do we have a template? Of course. There's a template. Can we copy paste it? Sure. Prime we're ready. So if the ISO finishes, I want to see what will we get. Fun. Now, when we copy pasted xfce a few videos back, we did not look at all the settings. I just dumped it in, right? If you look at ArcoLinux, you'll see I cherry picked the files. I said this one, that one, and that one, and nothing more. It's more a minimalistic approach rather than dump. Watch a few videos ago to see what I mean. Okay, it's now time to keep talking. Maybe want to see the wallpaper. There she is. And now we're gonna pause the video. The ISO is out. Are we ready? Where did I put VirtualBox? Nowhere to be seen. Now I put it on here, Super S7. And we're going to make it bigger, of course. Optical drive, choose a disk file. It's in ArcoLinux out. It's here, it's here. How will this thing look? I am on open source. Did we forget anything? That's always a thing, right? You have to think about so many things, and lately the dominoes don't fall that easy anymore. Forgetting things, then I have to redo it again. Da 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 da. Come on. Be beautiful. Be amazing. Be correct. Be. Keeping my breath here. Broken. It's good. It's good. It means, right? You have to think about a lot of things. But it's almost okay. The bar is at the top. The icons are correct. The design, the coloring is not okay. Why? Think it through. Think it through. What did we forget? Sudo pacman, well, the keyboard. That's one thing. And sudo pacman -sy, get the databases in. Then think, yeah, I've made a very specific choice. I wanted to have this. But we've got that. It's the one that we don't have that matters. And ArcoLinux Arc, GTK theme. How is it called? One of those. Dawn. That's the one. That's not installed. So if we do super X and we log out and we log back in, enter, there's no password, then you see, aha, that's better. So the ArcoLinux Arc Dawn Git is what's missing. And then we'd have, if this is responding, not at this point in time, then we have already a nice design. The variety settings, I guess we broke those as well. So let's go. What we need to do is go in here, go to XS, to this one, and it really is a process of thinking it all through. In this case, it's not in here somewhere, so I need to go at the end, ArcoLinux, and then Arc Dawn Git. So that's in order. Variety is broken. Control find. Variety settings. Variety is there, but the variety settings are here, but the auto start is not there. But it was there. So not sure why that is then. But basically that's something we need to do straight away. So we have the theme that's in order. Let's boot again. Let's see. So Control R. So the theme is in order. Why is the wallpaper this strange blue-gray thing? We have variety, how to start it, and we set the wallpaper to be the ArcoLinux one. On so many desktops, it's easy. Now he knows my real estate, 1920 on 1080. And yes, we can install, we can try if you want, but we need to be able to click. Why can't we click? What's the reason for that? Something must be amiss. Question is what, of course. Can't really think of anything. Except this machine is tired. So am I. Power of the machine. That's a beautiful wallpaper. No processes, Control Shift Escape. What's doing all the work at this point in time? Not much. So that's cool as well. Let's see what we did. Automatically, no, skip this version and then click here and click here. So we've removed GTK3 Sardi. Check. Qt5 is out. Variety auto start is out. Let's see. The file that we have on the desktop is prime repo. Nope, not that one. This one, that one, that one, that one. What did we keep? We kept the variety desktop to auto start. And we removed the variety auto start. Okay. We have the xfce package and tuner. And we've removed xfce. Okay. And this is our xfce then. Qt5, we have Qt5 here, so we remove Qt5 here. Blank is something new. There's normally not installed blank, so that's okay, it doesn't clash with anything. And GTK3 is there, yeah, everything is okay. So it's not this. Could be a glitch in the matrix, because I have wasted in the past 3 days with VirtualBox and it did not install ArcoLinux ISO, and after 3 days of trying I burned it on USB and I installed it on real metal and boom, right? So who knows, updating and all that, who knows, that might be, it's always in the back of, should be in the back of your head as well. Okay, doesn't give us any solution, I'm afraid, not in this video at least. But I'm gonna rebuild it, but also I'm gonna stop the video here. A bit bizarre, but this is what you should do. Think, okay, what is it looking like? We have already the bar at the top. Now we have also a nice beautiful theme, and he has, voila, he has downloaded ArcDawn on the ISO, and Prime xfce is number 3 now, and I'll test later on after stopping this video. All right, cheers.